How to access Telegram web. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Click on the three lines at the top left. Now click on Settings and then tap on Devices. On the next screen you will see all the active sessions on your devices, and you can end them manually or decide to end them after a preset period. Click on Connect Devices to add a new one. The camera will open to frame the QR code. OK, now open Google on your computer and search for Telegram web. Frame the QR code that comes out on the screen. As soon as you frame the QR code, the connection will occur. Wait a moment and you will have Telegram on your computer.